Algebra 2, here we are with an introduction to common log and natural log. LOG, log, is the calculator log. LOG without any little subscript number, any base number, means really log base 10. Log base 10 happens so much that we're just going to drop the 10 and just call it log. So if you see just log with no little number, it really means log base 10. Alright, practice typing these in. Log of 7. Okay, so on your graphing calculator, log is over here by the number 7. That's why I picked it. Log of 7, and we're going to close our parentheses. We get 0.8450, but the fifth number is a 9. We'll go 8451. 0.8451. Alright. You type in log of 0.5 or a half, and let's see what you get. Okay, hopefully you're getting negative 0.3010. Okay, so if we have log of x equals y, there's no number there, so really that's log base 10 of x equals y. And then flipping back to our exponential form, y is the power of 10, so 10 to the y power, that gives me x. So just some common things here. Log of 1 equals 0, because 0 is the power of 10, that gives me 1. Log of 10 equals 1. 1 is the power of base 10, that gives me 10. Log of 100 is 2, because 2 is the power of 10, that gives me 100. Okay, a pretty important formula from before the time of the TI-84 is the change of base formula. We can use it to change our base to be common log, so that we can easily evaluate logs of crazy bases like base 121. So all we're going to do, log base 121 of 75, we're going to go common log of 75 on top, and common log of the old base number, which is subscript and kind of sneaking down already. That's going to remind us that it goes on the bottom, log of 121. So we're going to split it into two logs. Common log of 75, make sure we close our parentheses after that, divided by log of 121. It'll be 0.9003. Okay? Now, on your graphing calculator, you could probably go to Math and scroll all the way down to the bottom to log base, and now it comes up with log blank of blank, and you can type in whatever you want. Okay? But what it's doing behind the scenes is it's doing this formula. It's going to do the common log of the big number divided by common log of the little number. And we'll have 0.9003. Okay, I'm going to ask you to push pause and split those up and try these on your own. Go ahead and push pause and give them a try. Alright, welcome back. We're going to split those up into log of 81 over log of 35, and we should have 1.2360. And we'll split this one up into log of 215 over log of 99, and we'll have 1.1688. Alright, turn the page. The other type of log we're learning about today is the natural log. And I would have chose NL. They went with LN. It's the log base E. Log base E. E was a special number we had during our exponential stuff. It's just like pi. It's a number that goes on and on forever without repeating. So they gave it its own letter to represent the whole thing. So if we had natural log of 4, that's really log base E of 4. So flip-flopping back and forth. Exponential to log, log to exponential. Okay? X is, now it's like log base e. So if we're going to use our trick from before, x is the power on top of base e that gives me 4. So e to the x equals 4. The other thing we can do is exponentiate both sides. Bump both sides up as a power of e. I shouldn't have scribbled that out. That's going to look messy. We'll come over here. We had x equals natural log of 4. We can bump both sides up as a power or an exponent of e. E and natural log cancel out, and then we have e to the x power equals 4. So that's another way to do it. Okay? So you can do it our old way of x is the power of base e that gives me 4. Or we can exponentiate both sides. E and natural log cancel out, and we just have the 4. Alright, go ahead and push pause and try those two on your own. Alright, take a look. Alright, I did the exponentiation method for these two. We bumped both sides up as an exponent of e. The e and natural log cancel out, so we have e to the x equals 7, and e to the third equals x. Okay? Switching back to log. Remember, for natural log or any log, the exponent is the answer. So we could go with x equals log base e or natural log of 7. Alright, or we could do another new trick is we could do the natural log of both sides. 7. You could do the natural log of both sides. And just like the other time, natural log and e cancel out, and we have e equals natural log of 7. Alright, let's have you try either way over there. Go ahead and push pause and give that one a shot. Okay, I did natural log of both sides, canceled out, x equals natural log of 12. We're just going to leave it alone. We're just focusing on switching back and forth today, and we'll work on typing those in and evaluating and solving later. Alright, last one for you to do. Natural log, or ln, is the button on your calculator. It's right next to the other one, or right next to our other log. It's going to be right there, ln. So let's practice typing these in and rounding to 4 decimals. First one for you here, natural log of 5. Close my parentheses. 1.6094. Let's have you push pause and try the other two. Alright, that's all we needed for today. Hopefully those worked out great for you. In the future lessons upcoming here, we'll be using this more in depth to actually solve and simplify. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you in class.